Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to return or replace a Costco order. Alright, so if you have received a Costco order and you are not happy with the product, you can return or replace that order, and here's how to do it. So open up Costco.com, then in the top right corner click on customer service, which will open up this customer service page. And if you want to return or replace order, select this option on the left, return/replace order. And you can watch a tutorial on how you can do this with an online order. Of course, the most straightforward way is to return the online purchase by returning that order at any Costco warehouse. You can find your nearest location using the warehouse locator. However, you also have the option to return or replace an order on Costco.com. And to do that, all you have to do is log into your Costco account by using this link. Then select orders and returns, and then select return or replace items button next to the order, and follow the prompts to complete your return or replacement request. And basically you can return or replace an online purchase order for any reason. So if you are not satisfied with the item, you purchased it by mistake, and so on and so forth. So make sure to read this section so you understand the requirements you need for returning or replacing an item on Costco.com. But all in all, this is how you can return or replace an order on Costco.